Hey altos, this is sound of trumpet. These are the parts. Okay, I'm going to focus only on the harmony parts. Okay, y'all got the melody because most of the song is unison. Okay, sound the trumpet. Sound the trumpet. Put on your strength. Forward into battle with the praise on our lips. So lips first time it's unison, but you got that other part. Okay, let me do feel our empty souls. Okay, feel our empty souls. Okay, feel our empty souls. And then if the sound is unclear. Okay, now remember sharing. Ghosting, you go your part is a little bit different. I'll sing your part now, just so you can know. Okay. Feel our empty souls. Okay, you got that both times. Okay. If the sound is unclear, forward into battle with the praise on our lips. Okay, so that's your note. Okay, all you gotta do, do re, do re. That's your interval right there. Do re mi fa sol, do re. Okay, all right, that's it. And then hallelujah, hallelujah, sound the trumpet, hallelujah. And remember the second one is longer. Sound the trumpet, hallelujah. All right, and that's the whole song. All right, thank you, altos.